Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we discuss reaction of hydrochloric acid with bleaching powder, zinc granules and baking soda. Hydrochloric acid react with bleaching powder and formed calcium chloride and chlorine gas. Bleaching powder react with hydrochloric acid, that is HCl, and form calcium chloride, water and chlorine. Reaction with zinc granules. Hydrochloric acid react with zinc granules and form zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Zinc granules react with hydrochloric acid. It forms zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. Reaction with baking soda. Hydrochloric acid react with baking soda, form sodium chloride and carbon dioxide. Baking soda react with hydrochloric acid and form sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and share my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel.